In today's video, we're going to be talking about what building an inbound system actually looks like, and we're going to cut out all the fluff and show you exactly what we've used for over 576 of our video clients to get them new video clients and new video retainers on repeat automatically so then they don't have to worry about where that next client is coming from. So in today's video, we're going to be diving into exactly what that looks like. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So a lot of people ask, why do we even need an inbound system? So essentially what the inbound system does is it replaces anything like cold calling, networking events, word of mouth, things that aren't necessarily scalable, right? So the reason we have an inbound system is so we can generate leads consistently, because at the end of the day, what we're trying to do is focus ideally just on generating leads, generating calls, and then turning those calls into clients. So for example, with any business, the kind of meat and bones of what a business actually is operating off of is three main pillars here. Pillar number one is marketing. Pillar number two is sales. And then finally, pillar number three is fulfillment. And the problem is most video business owners are just focusing on fulfillment, which means they're only focusing on shooting, editing, delivering content to clients, keeping clients happy, and doing an amazing job and having really good work. And that's great, but the problem is that doesn't actually convert new clients. If all you do, you can see at the bottom here, this is the actual fulfillment stage of your business. It's the smallest, as you can see. You have to pour more in up top to get more money and more clients out at the bottom. And if you're not spending time on marketing, on sales, which is the actual, core functions of a business, then you're not going to get more people out to keep them in the fulfillment process and keep them in the client fulfillment process. And so most video business owners just really like doing the shooting, so they neglect these two stages right here, which is ultimately what makes up a business. And that's why their business doesn't grow, because they're not focusing on marketing and focusing on sales. And so marketing is defined as getting consistent leads and having a process for that, and then getting consistent calls with clients. It should look like leads, and then a percentage of those turn into calls, and then a percentage of those turn into sales right down here. And for sales, we need a consistent sales process that turns these clients into monthly content retainers. Now, I know this might seem somewhat redundant, but I have to explain what this actually looks like so I can explain why an inbound system is super important. Because the inbound system is basically taking this portion of your business up here and automating it as much as humanly possible. Because right now you might be relying on referrals and word of mouth, and leads are inconsistent. And the way you know that is if you look at your calendar and you don't have the same or around the same amount of calls every single week on the calendar. And if it's always fluctuating and it's not consistent, like you can't scale to 100K a month with 5 calls a month. You're going to need closer to 40 to 50 calls. And that's where we screen those calls, make sure they're qualified, and then turn those into clients. But you need consistency. And so let's go back down to the actual system and how it works. First thing we focus on is ads, right? And so the ad is typically going to be 30 to 60 seconds. And it's going to talk about a pain point, target market, your solution, and then it's going to do a CTA, which is calling them to action. And then what we do is we drive those ads to, typically there's a lead form right here where we collect their name, email, and phone number. And then that drives them to what we call a value video page, where we have a video going over exactly what you do, how you help your clients, and how you turn those people or you turn those clients into calls, right? So this is the video that turns those people into calls, because they watch that. And it's basically a 5 to 10 minute pitch of what you actually are doing and how you're unique and how you're different. And then there's usually a calendar right below that to schedule a time with them. And then of the people who don't schedule a time, those people go into our email list here, and we nurture them in the email list over and over and over again until they do finally book a video call. And the video call is typically going to be on Zoom or Google Meet, doesn't really matter. And then a percentage of those people that you talk to. So if we go over here, typically about 20% of the leads that come in are going to book a call. And then of those people that book a call, you're typically going to convert about 30% of those people onto a 5 to 15K a month retainer. And so when you do the math, if I pour 100 leads in here, let me change these colors so we can see this a little bit better and erase a couple of things. So if I pour 100 leads, that's going to result in 20 calls. And then if I close 30% of those people, then that turns into 6 clients. And these 6 clients would pay me anywhere between 5 and 15K a month. Let's just say it's the lowest, it's 5K. Then that's going to turn into a minimum of 30K MRR for me and my business. And then what I do is I simply take that money, once I know the system is working, and I spend that money back on ads again. And then I do it over and over and over and over again, and I go around and around and around. And this is key, because this is what we actually use to grow the business, right? So we take the money from the clients, take a percentage of that, and we put it back into ads so we can get more clients. And this is what we call client financed acquisition. And this is where your clients are paying for the next client in line. Because if I get a client for 5K, maybe I take another $400 of that 5K, put it back into ads and get another 5K client. And then I take it 400, put it back into ads, get another 5K client. And I'm doing that over and over and over and over again until I get as many clients as I want. And then the bottleneck then becomes the fulfillment, because I have too many clients. I need to hire more people to service the clients that I already have, right? So that's the idea. And kind of the main benefits of having a system like this is we get consistent leads every day, week, and month. So I know, okay, I'm going to get 10 leads today, right? And those 10 leads, 2 of them are going to turn into calls. And then of those calls, I'm going to close 30% of those calls. And then I can just do the math. If I want to hit 100K a month, then I would need this many leads, this many calls. I need to close at this percentage, and that would turn into this many people at this MRR, or this monthly recurring revenue, right? And like I said, consistent calls, consistent clients. And it's the most effective and quickest way that's automated to get more clients, because if I want more leads, I just spend more on ads, as opposed to like word of mouth where I have to wait for people to talk about me, which like that stuff's great. It's the cherry on top. But with this, I'm able to literally just volume knob up to wherever I want to go. And it's very, very scalable, because it doesn't require more people. It just requires more budget. And I take the money from what I already made, take a percentage of that, put it back into ads, right? And then typically we see like a 10-to-1 ROI. Like one of our clients, Max here, let me pull him up. He spent, at the time of that recording, spent about $800 in ads to make 113K in revenue. And then with Nick here, he spent about $1,500 in ads to get about 147K. And so you can see this is very, very high margin, high profitable advertising, but you have to know how to do it correctly, right? You have to have the right ad. You have to have the right messaging. Like this system does not work unless you have the right messaging, unless you have the right ads, unless you're calling on the right pain points, unless you niche down. It doesn't work if you don't niche down. Like you can't just be broad. I mean, you can, but it won't work as well. Like you're going to get outsized returns when you're more niched. Like Max is niched in medical, Nick is niched, in coaching, like just coaches. And so like we are more specific, so we get a better return because we're calling out that avatar and speaking directly to them, right? So, and like I said, it's a volume knob that we can actually scale as we want. So that's how the system works, guys. Obviously, everybody's ads are going to be different. It just depends on like what your specific avatar's pain points are, their needs are, what they want, what their dream outcome is. And then we craft those into an ad and turn those into an actual system to turn that into getting clients. So shameless plug, if you want our team's help getting more clients and getting a system like this set up in your video business, then just click the link below, schedule a demo with our team. We're happy to help, see if we can actually help. And if not, just keep enjoying the free YouTube videos, and we'll see you in the next one.